Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 95. Use number lines to find equivalent fractions. So if you look at our example, this section or this number line jump is to 1/3 over here. So over here, this is the same distance as the 1/3. And this distance is 2 over 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 3 over 9, and you are all moving or jumping the same distance. So 1/3 is the same as 2 over 6 is the same as 3 over 9. So they just split it in half. Alright, so the equivalent fractions are 1/3, the equivalent fractions are 1/3, 2/6, and 3/9. So over here, our equivalent fractions are 3/4, which is right over here. Let's go straight down. 6 over 8, look straight down. And 9 over 12, because over here is the same distance from 0 to that distance over there. So your equivalent fractions are 3 over 4, 6 over 8, and 9 over 12. Alright, and that's page 95. Let's move on to 96. Fill in the missing numbers on the number line, then use the number lines to find the missing numerators and denominators. Alright, so over here, if this is 1 over 5, or 1/5, then we're doing another 1/5, which means it's 2/5. Then we're doing another one, which is 3/5, then 4/5, and then 1/2, or you can say this is 5 over 5, which is the same thing as the whole. So 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5, or 1/2. So over here we're looking at our tenths. So this is 1/10. This will then be 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, and then this will be 8/10. Alright, next, so if you look over here, we're splitting our distance between 0 and 1 into our 15ths. So that's 1 over 15, 2 over 15, so this will be 3 over 15ths. 4 over 15, 5 over 15, this will then be 6 over 15. 7, and this will therefore be 8 over 15. 9, 10, this will be 11 over 15. 12, and then this of course will be 13 over 15. Alright, so let's use our number line to find some equivalent fractions. So 2/5 is equal to blank over 10. So 2/5 is over here, and that's going to be the same as 4 over 10. Alright, so here we go, number 8. Blank over 5 equals 9 over blank. Alright, so if we look at blank over 5, it's going to be the same thing as 9 over blank. Alright, so blank over 5. So it can't be 1 over 5 because we have 2/10 and 3/15. Can't be 2 over 5 because it's 4/10 and 6/15. Let's look at 3 over 5. So 3 over 5 is the same thing as 6 over 10 or 9 over 15. See that little right here? So I think we found it. So 3 over 5 is the same thing as not 6 over 10, but 9 over 15. Let's keep going. 3/15 is the same thing as 2 over blank equals the same thing as blank over blank. So let's look at 3/15 first. 3/15 is the same as 2 over 10. So 2 over 10. And 2 over 10 is the same thing as, let's look right up top, 2 over 10, 1 over 5, or 1/5. 1/5. Okay, it says 3/5 equals to blank over 10. Let's look at 3/5 again. 3/5 is equal to, right straight down, 6 over 10. And 6 over 10 is the same thing as 9 over 15. Okay, and that's page 96.